Hello friends, welcome to the channel Health Tricks and Tips in English, the best pregnancy-centric channel. This video is about eating brinjal or aubergine or eggplant during pregnancy. So let's straight away get into the benefits first. Number one is it will increase the count of RBC, that is the red blood cells. The RBC count is of great importance because it will help in the proper development of the fetus in the womb. When the development of the nerves, brain cells and the muscles of the baby is developing, you require good amount of RBC in your blood. Also, brinjal or the eggplant has got good amount of folate or the folic acid, which will help in numerous initial developments of the baby inside the womb, like the brain development, and also it will keep off the birth defects like neural tube disorders and spina bifida. Apart from this, brinjal has got good amount of vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin B complex and niacin, which is highly important for the overall development of the baby inside the womb. Brinjal will help you in improving your immunity because it has got good amount of vitamin C that will keep the problems like cold, cough and small viral infections at bay. High cholesterol is a big problem during pregnancy. Now brinjal has got those properties that it will reduce the bad cholesterol and increase the good cholesterol in your body. Thereby it will be helping you a lot in any kind of the heart related disorders. So in all, eating brinjal is good for your cardiovascular situations. Brinjal has got good amount of fiber which will normalize your bowel movement and it will alleviate the problem of constipation. Other stomach related problems like bloating, gastric issues and acidity will also be resolved when you will include brinjal in your diet. Hypertension is another problem that will be coupled with blood pressure. So as told that the brinjal has got good amount of thiamine. Other than this, it has got good amount of bioflavonoids and riboflavin, which will regulate the problem of hypertension and blood pressure. Blood pressure has to be kept under control during pregnancy, else it can take a shape of a bigger problem that is known as preeclampsia. Brinjal has also got some of the minerals like magnesium, potassium, iron, copper, calcium, phosphorus, zinc, manganese, which will keep the electrolyte balance of the body regulated. These all elements are highly required for you as well as for the development of the baby inside the womb. If you are facing the problem of gestational diabetes, which is a quite common problem during pregnancy, then brinjal has got those property to keep the blood sugar level under control, thereby decreasing the risk of gestational diabetes. So friend, these are some of the benefits of eating brinjal during pregnancy. However, you need to understand the amount of brinjal you can eat because eating too much of brinjal can lead to some of the complications like preterm delivery or allergy, or in some case if you are eating too much of brinjal, it will lead to acidity. So to keep yourself safe from all these problems, so make sure that you are consuming brinjal in limit. Once in a week, if you are eating a bowl full of brinjal or any recipe made out of brinjals, it is good for you. Make sure that you are washing your vegetables always before making any cuisines or the recipe. If you are seeing any sort of allergy, kindly discontinue eating brinjal. So that's all about brinjal. If you like the video, kindly show the gesture by pressing the like button. If you're coming to the channel first time, consider subscribing by hitting the red subscribe button and the adjoining notification bell to never miss any sort of updates from our channel. We'll catch up in another video on pregnancy. Till then, peace out, stay happy, stay healthy.